Hi Year 4, we're going to look at a non-chronological report today all about sharks. Non-chronological report means it doesn't have to be in a particular order. For example, all of these paragraphs here could be in any order and it would still make sense. So we've got the title at the top called Sharks, so we know it's all about sharks, and then an introduction briefly all about sharks. Sharks are a type of fish, but instead of having bones, their skeleton is made of cartilage. This is what your ears and the tip of your nose are made from. Surprisingly, there are more than 500 different species of sharks, including the great white shark and the bull shark. Scientists believe that sharks have existed in our oceans for around 455 million years. Some species of shark prefer to live alone, while others live in groups called a school, shoal or shiver. So we've got the introduction there, and we've got a picture of a shark. If you look at the text, you can notice we've got 2 fact boxes, which just have extra did you know facts and amazing facts. So for this paragraph, we've got where do they live? We notice these, we've got subtitles for each paragraph now to tell you what it's about. Sharks can be found in all of the Earth's 5 oceans: the Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Arctic and Southern. Different species of sharks live in different oceans, depending on the temperature of the water. For example, most prefer warmer temperatures, although polar sharks prefer colder water. As well as this, some sharks can even be found in freshwater lakes and rivers. And we got the next one, what do they eat? What a shark eats depends on its species and where it lives. Usually, sharks are carnivores because they like to eat fish and other sharks. Some larger sharks eat dolphins, sea lions and small whales. However, smaller sharks eat smaller prey like clams, mollusks, squids, lobster and crabs. Although some types of sharks can be deadly, only 12 species have ever attacked humans. In fact, shark attacks are rare. Surprisingly, more people die from bee stings and natural disasters such as earthquakes and volcanoes each year than from shark attacks. So this one's all about what they eat and also some extra facts about eating humans. Shark senses. Sharks have all the senses that humans have. The strongest is their sense of smell. Amazingly, sharks can smell a single drop of blood in the water from 400 metres away. Also, they can hear fish moving from around 500 metres away. Likewise, sharks have very good eyesight and they can even see well in dim light, allowing them to hunt deeper in the ocean. So, we've also got the fact box there. If I look at the features now of this text, we've got a title there, we've got the subtitles, we've got fact boxes, you can read them if you want to, and we've got a picture. The next language feature we're going to look at is fronted adverbials, which is different openers. Can you pause the video now and see if you can find the fronted adverbials and the different openers? Okay, so if you've had a look at the fronted adverbials, we'll see if you've found them all. So if I look in the top, we've got surprisingly, we've got for example, as well as this, usually, however, although some types of sharks can be deadly, it's a bit of a long one, in fact, amazingly, also, likewise. Well done if you managed to find any extra ones that I didn't spot. So now we've spotted all the features and you know what the features are of a non-chronological report, you are going to think about planning your own non-chronological report similar to this, but on an animal of your choice. The plan sheet is also attached. You can use the plan sheet to help you. You will use the same where do they live and what do they eat. However, this last paragraph here can be something that you found out that you might want to write about your animal, and also the fact boxes can just be facts that you think are quite amazing about your animal.